So just let me know. But we will do a yoga nidra practice tonight. So if you just did yoga with me, the Kundalini yoga, your body's probably already feeling pretty loose and warm. If not, you may want to just do a little bit of gentle stretching before you go to lie down. So you may want to just sort of do some stretching side to side, maybe do some neck rolls, maybe do some shoulder rolls, anything that would feel good in this moment. And then when you're ready, go ahead and make your way onto your back. Make your way onto your back. Let your palms turn up toward the ceiling. Let your eyes close. And cover yourself up with a blanket. Something nice and warm. So we're just getting nice and covered up and cozy and comfortable for our yoga nidra practice. So I noticed we have a couple new people that just hopped on. So just so you know, if you are wanting to do yin, please just message me or put a message on the Mosaic page. Let me know that you're still interested in that, and I can possibly find another day and time to do that for us. So get comfortable. Maybe you have something underneath your knees to help your low back relax. And then let's just find stillness for a moment. So after you get all nice and settled, just get still. Begin to feel your body in contact with the earth. Start to feel your jaw get loose and soft. And just imagine that there's like a little, sort of like a little plug on the side of your body, and you can pop the plug out, and all of this tension that you've been walking around with all day is going to just drain out. So feel it drain out of your forehead, the space between your eyebrows. Feel it drain all the way out of your face, out of the tension in your shoulders and neck, all the way out of your body and down into the ground. And then just sort of imagine that there's another kind of little plug or little cap in another area of your body, and feel yourself take the cap off, and this one is a receiving one. So begin to feel like all of the beauty and the goodness and the energy and the momentum, the vision, the clarity that you need just starts to pour in through that and kind of fill you up as if you're pumping up a raft or something. Just let that air seep in. Move to a place of clarity and stillness and focus. And then start to feel as if your breath is moving up and down your spine. And your breath here, as it moves up and down the central channel, the spine, feel it start to move your body into balance. So notice maybe where your body feels a little bit lopsided or off, and then just imagine it coming into flow and into balance with the breath, so that it starts to feel stabilized here. Now begin to notice what it is your inner knowing, your inner wisdom, your inner voice is saying about what you need, your intention. No matter how well your life is going or how poorly things are going, there's going to be this subtle asking from the highest part of you for where you can direct your energy, your focus, and your attention. So listen to that inner knowing and feel the sort of very subtle, soft pull, a little tiny tug on your heart or in your navel, kind of directing you towards what would be helpful for you. Turn that into an intention that you state in your mind. Say it 3 times. And know that because you're feeling this little tug, this little pull, that path will open up for you to be able to accomplish whatever it is you're feeling like you need. Starting now. Become aware of the sounds that are around you. Become aware of the air moving through your body. Feel all of the feelings that are present for you. All of the thoughts, all of the motion and commotion and stillness, everything that's there, observe it. Welcome it. Now begin to feel as if there's a wave moving through your body. Feel the wave softening. Feel it sort of ebb and flow so that it moves down and sort of picks something up. And then it has a lot of momentum as it moves it along. This ebb and flow. Feel now that wave as it moves through your right hand. Feel it originate in the palm of the right hand and then move out through every finger. Feel the wave now travel up your right forearm, up your right elbow, your right upper arm, into your right shoulder. Then feel that wave move down the entire length of the right arm and out the right fingertips. Feel the wave move down the right side of your body. Feel it at your right hip, and then feel it travel down your right thigh, knee, lower leg, ankle, foot, and out the toes. Then feel your whole right leg moving with this waving motion, the whole right leg. Notice now that the whole right side of your body is moving harmoniously with this wave. Feel an awareness of the right side of your body. Feel that wave now begin in the palm of your left hand and travel through each of the fingers and the thumb. Feel the wave travel up the left arm into the lower left arm, left elbow, upper left arm, left shoulder. Feel the wave travel all the way down the whole left arm, synchronizing, harmonizing. clearing and cleansing. Then feel that wave travel down the left side of your body. And then move down from your left hip to your left upper leg, left knee, left lower leg, left foot. Feel it in your whole leg now, your whole left leg. And now feel it in the whole left side of your body. Feel the wave now travel from the top of your head, the crown of your head, and move down your face. Feel it move over your eyes, softening them, your nose, your lips, your chin, your throat, your sternum and heart, your stomach and sex organs. Feel it travel again from the crown of your head, above the crown of your head, and feel it move down the back of your head, all the way down the length of your spine, the back of your neck, your upper back, middle back, low back, buttocks. Now feel that wave traveling through your whole body. Feel all of those individual waves sync up into one cohesive wave. And be aware of that movement through your whole body. Once again, feel the wave pick up any residual energy, anything that isn't yours or doesn't feel harmonious, and let it just travel. Pick it up and move it out. Until all that's left is the sensation of your body, cleansed and harmonious. And then imagine your breath traveling in waves. Imagine breathing in a wave and feeling it come through both nostrils, down the back of your throat and into your lungs. And count those waves as they move into your body. Count up to the number 12 and then back down again to 0. Let go of the counting. See yourself now standing in front of an emotion that's been prevalent in your life. An emotion. Imagine this emotion as some sort of a character, like maybe an animal or a person or a cartoon character or some sort of a figure. See your emotion in front of you. Give it a name. Notice its movement and color. Notice if it has anything to say. And then find that wave inside of you. Imagine it now starting out as a little tiny crest of water in the very center of you. And then feel it as it gains momentum and starts to grow. Feel it growing up into your chest, into your heart, into your lungs, into your throat. And then feel it as it moves and crests as a wave and crashes all the way down your arms and out of your hands and onto this emotion. And just notice the effect this wave, this harmonious wave, has on this emotion. And then noticing that this wave that traveled through your body and out your arms and through the emotion has now created your own little ocean. It's your very own ocean that you created. And you sort of start to splash around in the ocean and notice the feel of the water, the temperature, the sound, the way that the light reflects off of it. And you find a little boat because you want to go out deeper into this beautiful ocean that you've just created. This ocean that welled up inside of you and spilled out. So you hop into this little boat that's sitting nearby and begin to row your way out into the middle of your own ocean. And you get to the perfect spot and set down the oars and lie down on your back and look up at the expansive blue sky. Feel the sun warming your face. And you feel these gentle waves moving the boat up and down like you're being rocked. And you feel this soft motion. And know that there are waves in you, waves around you, waves under you. And in fact, as you look up at the sky, you notice that other people's waves are moving almost like wind currents around you. And you can see some waves moving in a hot pink color, moving quickly, and big, slow, rolling purple waves. And all sorts of colors and lengths of waves and slow waves and fast waves moving all around you. And for the first time, you notice that your own waves have a color as well. Maybe peeking out over the side of the boat and noticing the color of the waves in your own ocean. Noticing the way that the waves inside your body feel. Do they move quickly or slowly? Are they large waves or small? And then you notice that there's a pair of glasses in the bottom of the boat that are unique looking. And putting them on and lying back down into the bottom of the boat, looking up at the sky, you notice that as you put these glasses on, all of a sudden, all of those colors and waves get very subtle, almost disappearing, and you see something different. You see one giant wave, a universal wave, an infinite wave. You see it moving through the whole sky, through the whole, all of the ethers, all the way out into space. You see this big, moving wave. And you recognize that this is the wave, the universal wave of the heartbeat of the infinite. And as you watch this wave, you begin to feel the wave within you that is a part of this larger wave start to sync up with the big wave. Notice how those waves inside your body feel as they begin to synchronize with the infinite. And notice the rocking of the boat on the ocean of your waves begins to synchronize with this big universal wave. And you start to feel such a profound connection to all that is, to this heartbeat. This feeling of having gone home. Of resting in this heartbeat of harmony. And this feeling of having gone home starts to bring a joyfulness into your heart, a remembrance of who you are. And this joy grows and grows with each heartbeat of each wave. And now, as you look around, still seeing that universal wave, you can acknowledge and appreciate all of the waves of all of the other people, all the colors and the movement. And none of them, even though they cross right in front of your path, none of them disrupt your flow, your movement with the universal wave. And you begin to feel your heart beating with that joy and harmony. And you ask your inner knowing, what keeps me from feeling this universal wave, this universal connection all the time? What keeps me from feeling this wave all the time? And listen. So then you notice that your wave and the universal wave are so perfectly in sync that you actually hop up out of your boat and step onto it in the sky so that you're riding this heartbeat. And you feel yourself riding this wave all the way up into space, moving up into the darkness, into the vastness, into the stillness of the ethers. And then finding yourself moving with the wave all the way back down to your boat again. And as you move back, noticing any spontaneous imagery or thought or feelings that may or may not arise. And just watching anything that may come up move in and out of your experience. And then hopping out of your boat after rowing it back to shore, splashing in the water again, laughing, joyful. And realizing that your pockets are full of little tiny boxes, almost like a ring box. And as you open one up, you see a little tiny universal wave inside. And you realize that you can give these to anyone to help them remember. Or you can open them up as a little gift for yourself when you forget. So So maybe walking around and handing one of these little waves to anyone you feel might need to be reminded of home. And then stating in your mind again your purpose for practicing Yoga Nidra. Why are you here? Say it 3 times. Feel the harmoniousness of that desire with this greater thing that you are a part of. And then just becoming aware of the ceiling and the floor and the walls. Becoming aware of your body on the ground. Becoming aware of your breath moving through your body. Counting down from 5, I'll ring a bell to signal the end of the session. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yoga Nidra is over. Begin to deepen your breath. Begin to move your fingers and toes. Begin to circle your hands on your wrists and your feet on your ankles. Begin to do some gentle stretching. Roll onto one side. Please know that this simple act of relaxing and listening really has a profound impact on the world. The vibrations that you feel, the thoughts you think, they have a wide-reaching impact. So express gratitude for yourself and the work you've done for yourself and for all the people in this world today. And know that the work that you're doing is more than enough. It's enough. It's profound. It's appreciated. It's seen and it's known. Push yourself up to a seated position, placing your hands at your heart. Acknowledging that beautiful infinite wave with the sound of Om, the sound of all that is. Inhale. Namaste.